Yesterday I have taken the 10 HP problem of induction motor to be installed in a workshop. Diagram I have shown on the drawing sheet. That was not so clear. So today I have drawn this diagram completely on the board. So you can take this diagram in which all the dimensions are very clear. So your calculation will be easy to understand. See, this is the complete diagram in which I have shown. This is the ground level, all the dimensions are given. This is the main board, meter, ICTP of 32 ampere here. Then this is run 25 mm dia pipe from this point to this point. Total length 22.5 meter, then 0.2 meter here. Then here 6 wire will go, so the diameter of pipe will be 31.8 mm, and because 3 wire will run up to this single core, so up to this total length we do 3 times. Here 6 wire will go up to the motor terminal, so same single core cable of 6 square mm, it is become 6 times in this. So the calculation or estimate I have already given yesterday, so you just take this drawing seriously. It is given all the detail. This is the meter, supply is coming from the pole or the service pole, and from where this complete diagram is there. So this finish your total topic number 2, in which there are 2 problems. So in this diagram there are two problem, one of 10 HP, one of 10 or 25 15 HP. So normally in exam one motor problem will be asked. So this is a complete diagram for one motor. This diagram is for one motor of 10 HP. So total wiring diagram I have shown, and estimate is also prepared according to this particular diagram. So you can take this particular diagram in your notebook, draw it properly with all the dimensions and specification of all the materials given on the board. So this particular diagram will help you in preparing the notes. Once I have again show from near place, so you just see that this diagram is like this. From main board, pipe is running up to control board and then up to motor. So this is the complete diagram of the 10 HP motor connections. Now from today I am starting topic number 2. Topic number 2 is service line connection. So first we have the definition part of service line connection. Topic 3, service line connection. So first, service line connection definition. Service line connection is defined as it is overhead or underground line laid between nearest available service pole to consumer premises for feeding electrical supply और लेट की जगह आप इसको ड्रा भी कर सकते हैं, ड्रान between nearest available service pole to consumer premises for feeding electrical supply at their rated voltage and current, whether single phase or three phase. So this is the definition of service line connection. Service line connection, service line, here you can put line is, service line is defined as it is overhead oblique underground, it is underground line drawn between nearest available service pole to consumer premises for feeding electrical supply at their rated voltage and current, whether on single phase or three phase as required. So this is the basic definition of service line. Now, maximum distance permissible between service line is 30 meter or 100 feet between consumer premises and nearest available pole. If distance is more than 30 meter, then you have to put an additional pole in between. But as per standard, maximum distance is 100 feet between service pole and consumer premises. Now there are three types of mode in which we can provide the service line. There are three types of mode by which we can provide service line. So it is called modes of providing service line. First is roof pole arrangement. Second is bracket pipe arrangement. And third is galvanized iron pipe arrangement. So service can be provided on single phase and three phase by these three methods. The first method is only suitable for single phase. This is only suitable for single phase. Second method, it will be for one phase as well as three phase. This method is also suitable for one phase or three phase. So I will make the diagram of all the three arrangement for different types. So first we will take connection diagram for roof pole arrangement. In roof pole arrangement, this is roof pole arrangement. This is normally used in old type of houses in which roof is prepared by use of different type of roof arrangement, which is not RCC, but it is the roof is prepared like this with the help of cavelus. In this we run a service angle, and there is main distribution board at particular height according to our assumption of internal wiring, that is 11 feet up, 10 feet up from the ground. And here this run a earth wire, and if you use bare conductor, so we have to take this is the shackle insulator with clamps. So this is phase wire, this is neutral wire. And there is a spacers to avoid the bouncing effect of wire due to wind pressure. So this is the consumer premises. Now supply is to be taken up to meter board with the help of a pipe of 25 mm dia, service pipe, and it is going to the this is the connections. This is the roof pole arrangement. So here to fixing the pipe, this is the GI thimbles are required. This is 90 by 60 by 6.3 mm angle iron. Normal length is 2 meter. This is 8 SWLG GI wire, and this is phase wire and neutral wire of bare copper or aluminium as required. So this is the phase and this is the neutral and this is the earth. So service line is supported like this. There is a aerial fuse. It is mounted here. This is aerial fuse. This is GI thimble. This is the angle and this is the pipe of 25 mm dia, service pipe, and this is MDB. So this total arrangement is there for roof pole arrangement. This is Shackle insulator with clamp. Shackle insulator with clamp. So these are the Shackle insulator with clamps, and this is the flexible wire. This is flexible wire FW. Short में जगह नहीं है इसलिए मैं लिख रहा हूँ flexible wire. This is for connection, that is FW. So this is the total arrangement at the consumer premises. Now supply is to be taken from a pole, that is called service pole, nearest available. Nearest available means we are having distance according to standard, that is 30 meters. So this is R phase, Y phase, B phase, neutral, earth wire and street light. So this is the insulators on which this wire is supported on the pole. This is a service pole. Now here this is the service board. Service board from where? Service board, BOARD, from where we can take supply to neutral and phase. So this is R phase, Y phase, B phase, this is neutral, this is earth wire and this is street light phase. So normally LT line pole, it is having 6 wire. So we can take any one phase and neutral from this board and then it is supplied to the neutral and phase to the consumers. So this is the service board, which is also having aerial fuse. So if there is any fault in between pole and service of the consumer, then this fuse will blow and your line meter is protected. Okay. So this is the first arrangement, that is called roof pole arrangement. This type of arrangement nowadays not in use. This is only meant for the old type of houses which are not there. अभी कॉलेज के सामने जो एमओजी लाइंस में देखा होगा आपने क्वार्टर बने पुराने, उनमें सब में ये रूफ पोल अरेंजमेंट से सप्लाई दी हुई है. तो ये अभी आजकल nowadays this type of system is absolute. So second system is that is the bracket pole arrangement. In bracket pole arrangement, we will draw the diagram for single phase and 3-phase both. This is reel insulator guarding. Reel insulator guarding. This is called wheel insulator guarding, this one. So due to wind pressure, when this wire will bounce, so this will act as a spacers, so it can avoid short circuit in bare conductor. Nowadays people are not using this type of arrangement, they are doing it by cable. They use a 2-core cable and one shackle insulator यहाँ लगा देते हैं, then draw the line. So this is the old type of system which is not in use nowadays. This pole will be common for all connections, 3-phase and single phase. So pole as it is will be there, and I will change only the consumer premises. Now second one, after taking this diagram, second one is that is bracket pole system, bracket pipe system. Second is bracket pipe system or arrangement. We can say arrangement or system arrangement. Now multi-storied building, whether it is a 2-storied or 3-storied or multi-storied, we can take this type of connection for normal house, row type of houses, in which this is a angle iron supported on the wall. This is angle iron 90 by 60 into 6.3 mm, and this is a cross bracing support, and here we use shackle insulator again. Now whether you can take a wire of cable form or bare conductor. So these insulators are provided, and here with the help of earth wire clips or clamp, we run the earth wire, and this is the phase wire, neutral wire and earth wire. MDB again at the stipulated height as I have given in the internal wiring, and this will be the pipe of service. This is service pipe. This is the service pipe supported by GI thimble or pipe clamps. This is bracing. This is 4 or 6 square mm copper/aluminum cable or bare conductor for phase and neutral, and there is again we put here spacers of porcelain insulators supported with GI wire. So this will be the bracket pole arrangement for single phase. Okay, supply is taken ब्रेसिंग, यहाँ से लिख देता हूँ मैं ब्रेसिंग, एंड दिस इज ब्रैकेट क्लैम्प. So bracket can be supported on wall. Bracket clamp, this one. And from phase and neutral, I will tape. In phase we put here a aerial fuse. This is aerial fuse. And these are the flexible wire. Normally use 40/76 gauge, 40-76 का तार यूज करते हैं ये. This is the gauge of the wire for the flexible wire for connection from this place to MDB. And this is pipe of 25 mm dia, GI pipe, is supported by pipe clamps. So this is the bracket of angle iron on which shackle insulator with clamps are there, and this is earth wire clamp. This is earth wire clamp, and this is bobbin insulator spacer. These are the bobbin insulator spacer. The earth wire is of 8 SWG, which is binded on this, and neutral and phase are taken from the service board. So this is phase is coming and neutral is coming. So this is the complete arrangement for consumer side in bracket pole system or bracket pipe system. Okay. Sometimes this bracing they may use here also, depending upon the length of the angle. So bracing can be taken on this side also, like this. So both arrangements are possible depending upon length of this bracket. Okay. Similarly, same diagram can be converted for 3-phase, in which the bracket will be changed and other arrangement will be same. So I just, on the same diagram, I will just convert it into 3-phase. For 3-phase, when want to give 3-phase supply, then bracket will be slightly changed in this manner. And a cross bracing is again put for mechanical strength. And service pipe, it is given here like this. This is now in 3-phase, its diameter is up to 50 mm. We can take diameter up to 50 mm size. So this is the pipe clamps or saddles for 50 mm pipe. this is 50 mm pipe, and for inside we are having a conduit reducer. And bend. So normally what happens, up to this we take 50 mm, and then turn it into inside the wall, and from here this is taken up to main board. This is a double storage building, okay. So this is the main distribution board here, and this pipe may be of 30 mm dia. So we use a conduit reducer, okay, because this will carry the flexible wire. Now here for 3-phase, the clamps are provided for neutral, phase, and this is the first one, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. So these are the shackle insulator with clamps. So this one R phase, Y phase, B phase, and neutral. Okay. So this is the bracket. Now in 3-phase bracket, the specification will change. This is 110 by 90 mm angle with 6.3 thickness. So bracket of this size, and these are the shackle insulator with clamp. This is R, Y, B, and neutral. So this will maybe a 10 square mm cable or bare conductor of aluminum or copper. Aluminum and copper. Either of aluminum or copper, depending upon the budget. Okay. For bracket to support on the wall, these are the bracket clamp. These are the bracket clamp, and these are the pipe clamps. Now line is taken again with the help of flexible wire, and then neutral. And this wire will go inside up to the main distribution board, and this will be a 3-phase connection for a consumer of that nature. Supply is again to be taken from this pole, okay, all the 3-phase. So here board will change. This service board is for 3-phase now. It is slightly bigger in size, so there are 3 cutouts and 1 neutral link, so you can have supply to this neutral phase. ये होगा and from other way you can take this and the Y phase. So RYB, all the three phase taken on the service board, and from service board it is given to the consumer premises. So this is supplies coming from the pole. This is bracing of same dimension. This is flexible wire. According to rating of the load. Normally 5 kilowatt and above load, when three phase supply is necessary to be given, then we use this arrangement for the consumer end. Okay. Aerial fuse are not provided here in three phase. It is only provided on the pole. So this line is connected there with the help of earth wire, and then it will come. So all the three phase aerial fuse are mounted on the board at the pole. Diameter of this pipe is 50 mm maximum, because thick wire will have to run of 4 number RYB and neutral, so pipe is taken slightly more diameter. Then here it is directly terminated into the main distribution board by just elbow turning is there. So one band we use here, one band is used, and from band the supplies bring up to the meter board. Okay. So this is the bracket system for three phase. Now third arrangement, that is GI pipe system. इसमें देखो कुछ छूटा तो नहीं है. इंसुलेटर हो गई, ये वायर हो गए तीनों 10 स्क्वायर mm केबल, बेयर कंडक्टर, फ्लेक्सिबल वायर हो गया, पाइप क्लैम्प्स हो गई, पोल क्लैम्प, ब्रैकेट क्लैम्प्स हो गई, देन ब्रैकेट हो गया, सेकल इंसुलेटर हो गया. ये ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर देयर. सो सारा मटेरियल इसमें दिख रहा है. पोल वो हमेशा सेम रहेगा, कोई से भी टाइप का कनेक्शन हो वहीं से लेना अपने को सप्लाई. नाउ वी कम फॉर third mode, that is called GI pipe system. GI pipe system is also suitable for both single phase and three phase. So GI pipe system और अरेंजमेंट, इसको सिस्टम भी बोल सकते हो आप, अरेंजमेंट भी बोल सकते हो. GI पाइप सिस्टम फॉर सिंगल फेज, फॉर सिंगल फेज 230 volt. So this is again the wall of the building, and here we direct use a pipe of GI like this, and on this we are having another pipe which is having particular diameter of 30 mm, and then here this is taken inside and here we are having this earth wire clamp to run the earth wire, and here we take two Seckel insulators again, so here one thing is there, that this pipe is taken from upper side. and there is a stay arrangement is taken on this pipe. Here we use these spacers. In previous drawing of थ्री फेज ब्रैकेट सिस्टम वो कैटेनरी गार्डिंग मैंने यूज़ नहीं की थी, वो वहाँ पे उसमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं. अभी आई विल जस्ट शो इन पाइप सिस्टम. दिस इज MDB. So naturally supply is going like this, not from earth wire but from neutral and phase. So this is earth wire, this is phase and this is neutral. Rating is again similar to that of the first one. So this is the claim for shackle insulator. The things are with the same dimensions. Things are of with same dimensions. These are the pipe claims. There will be a aerial fuse from the face. So this is the face wire. So here you can have the aerial fuse. This is the aerial fuse. And this is stay to support the wire. So it is a wire stay. So this is all other dimensions is same, so I will not write again phase wire array of 10 square mm aluminum copper. This is shackle insulator. This is spacers for avoiding bouncing effect due to wind pressure. So this is the arrangement for GI pipe system for single phase. Okay, taken again from that place, and this is tighted on the wall, this pipe on 3 places, and then brackets are attached here for earth wire, and these shackle insulators. And from there the line is taped from the pole with the help of this wire. So this wire, as I have told you, it may be bare conductor or cable. Both can be taken as per the choice. Now similar diagram can be made for 3 phase. In 3 phase GI pipe system, slightly thick pipe is taken, that is of 50 mm dia, 50, and then this is conduit bend is there, and this is main distribution board MDB. So this is like this. Now here this pipe is grouted with the help of pipe clamps, and there will be again 3 Shackle insulators are used. This is for R, Y and B, and this is neutral. Earth wire can be taken from this by providing here a earth wire clips or earth wire clamp. This is earth wire clamp. And here there is a catenary guarding. It is to be provided in both the case of three-phase bracket system and three-phase pipe system. This is the catenary guarding. This is called catenary guarding. These are the shackle insulators. Now supply is taken from RYB phase and neutral. Okay. So the supply is available from this pipe. Inside this come up to the main distribution board. This is the three-phase system for GI pipe system. This catenary guarding I have not taken in bracket three-phase system, तो आप उसमें लगा लेना ही ड्राइंग जब बनाओ. That I forget to take. Okay. So again, it is not necessary to write so many things here. I just explain. These are the pipe clamps. These are the shackle insulator with clamps. This is the earth wire clamps. This is the flexible wire from this supply is taken. This is R phase, Y phase, B phase and neutral. This is again copper conductor or aluminum conductor, depends on the budget of the consumer, whether he is taking aluminum conductor or copper conductor. Normally aluminum conductor is preferred because these wire of LT line, they are of aluminum. So aluminum to aluminum connection is there, which can be easily made, and there is no problem of carbonization. कॉपर और एल्यूमिनियम का कॉम्बिनेशन जब होगा तो कार्बोनाइजेशन बहुत होता है उसमें, बिकॉज ऑफ डिफरेंस ऑफ करंट डेंसिटी इनटू मटेरियल. सो एल्यूमिनियम वायर और केबल इज प्रिफर फॉर सर्विस लाइन in all cases. So this is the shackle insulator supported on the pipe directly, and pipe is directly supported on the wall. So this is a three-phase system used for GI pipe system, and before that I have taken bracket, single pole, single phase and three phase. So this is a three-phase GI pipe system arrangement or system, whatever you can take. Okay, so this is all about the theory of service line connection. Maximum distance between this pole and premises, it is taken 100 feet, that is about 30 meter. और अगर इससे ज़्यादा है डिस्टेंस तो एक पोल बीच में आपको अलग से लगाना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू अप्लाई वन पोल इन बिटवीन इफ डिस्टेंस इज मोर देन 100 feet. Up to 100 feet you can take direct. So this is the arrangement for three-phase GI pipe arrangement for service pole. So this is all for today. That is the theory portion of this particular topic. Number 3, service line connection. Maximum load for single phase is 2 kilowatt, and if load is more than 2 kilowatt, then you go for three-phase system for 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt or other load. So in that case you will go for 3 phase. So rating of the wire is again decided by the same formula, kilowatt power divided by VI cos phi in single phase, and in 3 phase kilowatt power divided by root 3 VI cos phi, V cos phi, sorry. So that will give the current rating of the cable, and according to you can find out, according to that current rating you can find out